So after that, what we have to look at next is the tools right over here, which is the toolbar. If you press T, the toolbar will disappear. If you press T again, the toolbar will appear. So this is the select box. So this is the select box. This is the cursor, which is the one in the middle. This is the move. You can move it up or you can move it left to right. After that, we have the rotate. We have the scale. You can scale it horizontally or vertically. After that, we have the transform to. You can transform it up or down. Okay, so the more it's going up, the more bigger it's becoming. The more it's coming down, the more smaller it's becoming. And we have the annotate tool, which is used to draw anything you want to draw on your Blender interface. So with the annotate, it comes with annotate line, annotate polygon, annotate eraser. So after drawing a line like this, you can right click and select the annotate eraser to erase it from there. After that, we have the select box tool. We have twerk, we have select box, we have select circle, we have select lasso. After that, we have the measure. So with the measure, after selecting the measure, you have to click anywhere and drag to measure the distance or the width of the rectangle. Okay, so this is not correct, but I think it's 9.74 meters. After that, this is add cube. Okay, so let's select this and press G. Press G and drag and place it here. And let's add a cube to it and let's see what happens. Okay, so to add cubes, what you have to do is to go to add, select mesh and add a cube. Your cube will appear right over here. Okay, so that is it. After that, we have these X, Y, Z, which is the viewport. So the moment you select any letter, it will go directly according to the viewport. So this is the top view, this is the right view, this is the top view once again, the Z is the bottom view. So it will show you right over here. It will show what you are doing right over here. Press on your middle mouse and rotate your objects. Okay, so if you press and hold your middle mouse, it will show you the whereabouts of your object. So after that, we have the zoom tool, which is this one. We have the palm one. We have the palm tool, which is this right over here. So if you are using a laptop, you can use these tools to zoom in and out. After that, you can use this to palm left and right or up and down. After palming out, we have the camera view. After the camera view, we have the perspective view and the orthographic view. So right now it's at the perspective view. When you change it to orthographic view, this is what you see right over here. So after that, this is the playback. This is the keying, view, marker, play, and etc. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time in my next tutorial. Bye bye.